Hey guys, today I'm so excited to bring you two models from Xiaomi, and the left one is the Xiaomi 17Pro and the right one is the Xiaomi 17Pro Max. So today we will have a very quick hands-on and comparison video about these two new devices from Xiaomi. And for both flagship model from Xiaomi 17 series, they share some many premier features, but also they come from some difference. So in today's video, we will compare the full specification and the main features. From the appearance, we can find that the Pro Max they get a big size, a big screen. So let's go to the settings to check more detailed information about these two devices. So for the chips, both use the Snapdragon 8 Elite Generation 5 processor and also powered by Leica branded image system, and also they also powered by a secondary dynamic back screen. But for the size, the right one, L17 Pro Max, they use the 6.9-inch LTPO AMOLED screen, and for the 17 Pro, they use the 6.3-inch LTPO AMOLED screen. And both peak brightness reach to 3500 nits. And for the CPU, Snapdragon 8 Elite Generation 5 is the octa-core processor, and for primary two primary cores at running at 4.6 GHz and 6 performance cores at 3.262 GHz. And for screen is both support 120 Hz refresh rate, variable refresh rate, and from 1 to 120 Hz refresh rate. But for the Pro Max, it also featured a more advanced independent pixel array technology to enhance the clarity and efficiency. And if we go to the dimensions, we can compare it together. And for the 17 Pro, the dimensions is 152.18 by 71.8, and the thickness is the 8.3, and the weight is 194.8 grams. And for the big size 17 Pro Max, the length is 162.9 by 77.6 millimeters width, and thickness 8.3 millimeters, and the weight go to 221.9 gram. So from the dimensions, we can find the Pro Max for the length and the width and the thickness are bigger, but for the thickness they controlled well same. Through this time, for the battery power, the Pro Max get a 7,500 battery, and for the Xiaomi 17 Pro just get a 6,300 battery. And now for the back display, the dynamic for the Xiaomi 17 Pro Max, it get a 2.9-inch display, and for the Pro it get a 2.7-inch rear display. And both support palm gesture and the volume button, camera shooting, 5x zoom. And also both screen models support the LED screen on the back. You can show notifications, watch faces, and selfie previews. But for the Pro Max, display is slightly larger, so this is the difference. Okay. Next, we can get some sample pictures and to testing the camera difference. And first, we can share the same features for the camera part, like the ultrawide and the front facing and the main camera. They both use the same 50 megapixel for the main camera, 50 megapixel, 1.28-inch light fusion 950L sensor, and 1.67 Leica simulated lens and optical image stabilization supported. And for the ultrawide, and both use the 102-degree 50 megapixel ultrawide camera, and for the front one 50 megapixel 2.2 lens. The difference just comes from the telephoto cameras. For the Max, it's used a 50 megapixel 5x periscope telephoto with a 1 to 2 inch sensor with a 6.2 aperture and 30 meters macro shoot. But for the Pro Max, it's a 50 megapixel 5x periscope camera with a 3.0 aperture and just support 20 centimeters telephoto macro shooting. So this is the slighter difference coming from the camera part. But for the different, the Pro Max sensor is a superior telephoto lens, so it can provide several photography advantages like low light performance, bokeh quality, and telephoto macro shooting. And now we can have some pictures, and also we can go to the camera part to check more about the camera sense. And now it's the video mode, both support for 8K, 4K, 1080 to 720p camera shooting across all cameras with Dolby vision capture. And also even for the real displays, the dynamic back displays can be used to take high quality selfies with a superior rear camera system. Both phones included a 3D time ToF sensor on the back for improved autofocus and deep mapping. It's a video recording. No big difference, and OIS supported as I mentioned. Anti-shake, optical image stabilization. Okay, so this is a simple of the camera. Okay, check it from different angles. This time for the both phones have IP68 dust and water resistance rating. But for the Pro Max, it's rated for sublimation up to 6 meters, while the Pro is just rated for up to 4 meters. And both support the Xiaomi Shield Glass 3.0 for enhanced screen durability. Pro Max include a larger vapor chamber for improved heat dissipation. So both mode features advanced cooling system. Okay, so next let's check some pictures from Xiaomi 17 Pro and 17 Pro Max. And next part we will go outside to have more. Okay, let's enjoy it. This has sample pictures. Well, for details, zoom in, and both support 100 times zoom in performance, and also have a high resolution 50 megapixel front facing camera. Details. And also this time they use the next generation lateral overflow integration capacitor. It's called TEMS LOFIC high dynamic range technology. It can provide up to 16.15 EV of dynamic range. So this is pretty cool for the camera part. And also both support HyperOS 3. And for the camera part, both support 100 watt and wireless wired fast charging and 50 watt wireless fast charging. This is from the front side. This is the Xiaomi 17 Pro. And for the CPU, it's the third generation Orange CPU. And for the GPU, the Android GPU. 23% performance increase compared to the last generation. And the efficiency is 16 more power efficiency than the predecessor. The 3 nanometers producing technology. Okay, check more. And also for the Xiaomi 70 series phones are the first model to use the Snapdragon 8 Elite Generation 5 processor. Oh, okay. Finally,
This
we
is the
go outside
Xiaomi
and we can have more
17 Pro and the 17 Pro
content
Max.
about these two devices. New
Real
device from Xiaomi 17.
big size real screen,
And,
camera mode.
Okay, we can also check the appearance.
One time, and we can switch
So which
from
one color do you like? The green one or the white
photo
one?
to video and portrait. Max band support 5x zoom.
This is the dynamic
And then we
back
can press
display.
the volume button.
This is
And press the button on the screen, and also we
and
can
for
do a
the
palm
dynamic back display, it's supposed to 5
to
times
take the
zoom in.
picture. Nice. Nice 5 times.
And also it's called the palm gesture, volume button,
Nice.
camera shooting.
17
From
Pro
front
and
side
17
we
Pro
can find
Max.
the
Front side.
screen. Both use the straight screen.
6.7, 6.3 and 6.9.
Side, same net,
Both,
same
straight
bezel,
screen.
narrow bezel,
Megapixel
full display
camera.
screen. Full display
Yes.
smartphone, and
Compare
it's
the
a
size,
micro
the thickness.
SIM card slot, and the charging type of charging dot. And the left side of both phones have no
We can find
buttons,
the
just the antenna.
details
And for
information
the right
about the
side just have the volume button and
17
power
Pro
button.
Max and 17
And here's
Pro.
the specification part, and we can check details,
Okay. CPU same.
info and specification.
Battery. One,
For
the
the
left one
Elite,
is 7,500, the
Elite
right one is
offers a
6,300.
Performance
The screen's
upgrades,
different,
particularly
screen size
artificial
different, resolution
intelligence and
different,
power efficiency and graphic capabilities.
RAM different. Chips same.
Okay.
Oh, guys, we have the Xiaomi
And
17
this is,
Pro and 17 Pro Max. I can find just the
Camera.
Okay.
Oh.
So now both support 50 megapixel
Same.
front and the triple 50
Let's get the
megapixel
same camera,
real camera solutions.
the main one, and also the same screen resolution.
And both powered by
support
Leica.
the 3500 nits peak
from
brightness
different
with
angles.
independent pixel array technology.
Okay.
This is just for 17 Pro Max.
Same.
You can find the very small difference comes from
And
both
from the for the
smartphones.
Pro Max, it's got a big battery, 7,500, and the 17 Pro is just 6,300, and the screen size, the screen resolution, the Pro Max, this one is 6.9, and for the Pro is 6.3, and the resolution also higher.
Which one do you
This,
like?
Small difference. Battery, screen
And
size.
I will also put some
Processor same,
sample
Snapdragon
videos and some pictures
8
at the end of
Elite
this
Generation
part
5 processor.
for the indoor and outdoor
Battery.
part. We can also find the more content. Okay, thanks for watching. Let's attend the waiting for more content from here, and next let's enjoy the samples. Bye bye. Okay, now the recording now. Oh, it's got like a heart. Nice. The sample videos, and we can work. Jump. Okay. Oh. Full screen design, very nice. I can check the sample pictures, videos, the pictures later.